here at Romi Machines in Rugby yet again to look at the D series version 5 machines. The one we're looking at here is a D1000 vertical machining centre. Romi were the first in the whole world to get the Fanuc series OI MF control, and it's a real intuitive, easy to use, attractive I have to say, control. And this machine, would you believe it, is nearly 10 tonne in weight. If you look at the size, in X it's 800, the Y is 610, and the Z is 640mm travel. As you can see, it's got a Renishaw tool breakage as standard on this machine. And just look at it, it's a big, heavy, robust machine. It's got a 15K spindle, and it's available here from Rugby X stock. I really do urge you to have a word with Romi if you're looking at getting a vertical machining centre. This could tick a lot of boxes.